Hey there. Wait. I'm writing to you from the year 2070. A time that once seemed so distant, but now it's our reality. I want to tell you what the future holds, not just to inspire hope, but also to warn you of the challenges that shaped our world. Technology has transformed beyond imagination. Artificial intelligence guides almost every part of life, from personalized health care that cures diseases before symptoms even appear, to smart cities that breathe and adapt like living organisms. Flying cars are no longer science fiction, and humans regularly visit colonies on Mars and beyond. But with progress came a price. Our planet's climate has been pushed to its limits. Decades of neglect and pollution led to devastating storms, rising seas, and lost ecosystems. The world you know is changing fast, yet humanity didn't give up. People united globally in ways your generation couldn't imagine. We fought for clean energy, restored forests, and learned to live with nature, not against it. This battle was not easy. It took sacrifices and a radical shift in how we think and live. In 2070. Empathy, cooperation, and innovation are the pillars of our society. We learned that technology is only as good as the values we build it upon. So, my message to you is clear. The future is in your hands. The choices you make today will echo through decades. Protect the planet, embrace kindness, and use knowledge wisely, because one day, someone like me will write a letter back hoping to see a world shaped by your courage and vision. Until then, take care of this beautiful planet we all call home. Wait for new news from me. Now spread this video to all humanity, my friend. The way to do this is by commenting, liking, watching, and sharing the entire video. Are you with us on the journey to 2070?